Well, we had some excitement over at the warehouse this morning.
Excitement?
Oh, man.
What happened?
Got 60 systems for you.
60? I told you 16 units.
That's what I got, 60 units right here.
16. 1 6.
I got 60.
What are we gonna do with all of these?
I don't know, that's up to you. You're snake bit with them.
We're just gonna be giving these away at this point.
60?
60. What are you gonna do?
How are we going to financially recover from this?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Well, you know, we can always run a special.
Oh, you know what we
think?
should do? We should do a cash for their trash. Any old heating and air unit they want replaced, we'll give them $1,500 off of any complete system.
And let's make sure we double down on Huff Home Services. Don't gamble with your money, Dottie.